Hello, and welcome back to another video for the Halo Lone Wolf series. This is going to be Mission 6, Floodgate. This is our last mission that we are on Earth for. After this, we'll be moving on to the Ark. And yeah, we're just gonna get started. There's no cutscene at the start of this mission, because apparently none of these missions have cutscenes to start with. That's a lie, I'm pretty sure the next mission has a cutscene to start. Who knows? I don't remember. I haven't played Halo 3 in fucking ages. Just straight into the murder. Do you give me a shotgun? The answer is no. That is not good. Are you actually taking cover right here? You are taking cover. Look at you.
The flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine core. We either destroy this city or risk losing the entire planet.
Well, let's not have that happen,
Chief,
yeah?
make your way to the crash site.
All squads, report!
Alright.
Multiple contacts, unknown hostiles. There!
Hey, I know what they are. What are you shooting
Surrounded,
at?
Sergeant!
Alright, I gotta keep an eye out for a shotgun. Because that is going to be my best friend here. There is a skull on this mission. We've already passed where we can get it, but as you're coming up to these buildings, you'll see a flood combat form jump across them. You have to kill the combat form and it'll drop the skull somewhere. Ooh, hammer. It's a wacky stick. Gonna actually take this for now because it's better than anything else that I have at the moment. I'll be able to get a shotgun relatively soon, at least. At least I think I'll be able to.
We won this time.
We won? Are you sure? We won temporarily. It looks like we're about to start losing really badly, though.
Fall back! Fall back!
Sergeant, come on!
Hello. Here you go. Fuck all of you. Yep, none of that. None of that shit. Oh, never mind. I missed. How'd I miss? Whack. Whack. Anyone else? The answer is yes. Whack.
Let us find their ship. Make short work
All
of
the
this
whack.
abomination.
Hello. Whack. Oh, there's a combat form right there. Here's a shotgun. Or here's two shotguns. Give me this. Yep. Hammer and a shotgun. Hammer goes whack, shotgun goes bang. It's a very descriptive telling of what these weapons do. Fuck all of you. Oh, hey, you're alive. I didn't think I'd save you there, but you know, I'll take it. Wow. The fucking flood took over this area like instantly, man. Hey, guess what? Kaboom. Whack. 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 I'm enjoying this too much. Whack. Whack. I'm ridiculous. Woo! Oh, I'm out of ammo. Oh, that's unfortunate. Can you? Nope, I can't. Man, I gotta find another weapon. What's over here, huh? I've got a persistent heartbeat sound playing. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it in the recording or in the video, but I can hear it. It's just very bump, 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 bump. It's a little trippy. I don't know if I like it. Hello, hey, come here. Oh, or don't. Goodbye. Oh, short-lived. Here, have that. Excuse you, what? Here, have that. Okay, you guys didn't care about that one, it looks like. Oh, you're alive. No, you're not. Evisceration! Excuse you. Kaboom! Oh, okay, you didn't care about that either. No.
Parasite, Rise up and I will kill you. Again and again.
Good job. Good job, Arby. Just murder things repeatedly until we succeed. That is the way to do everything. Get back here, you fuck. Okay, just climb onto the ceiling, I guess. I don't even know if I killed it, but whatever. And here it is. This is what I want. You gonna let me take this? I do want this. I like having deployable cover just in case. The Flood seems to be kind of a pushover in this game. Oh my lord. Fucking Cortana!
I can't trust you everywhere. It's not safe. The grave mind, it knows how to move out.
I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going here. This way, okay. And I'll be able to get more shotgun ammo, like right here. These were filled with shotguns a second ago, and now they're like mostly empty. What's here? Nothing's here. Actually, can I go through this door? Will this open if I get close to it? The answer is no. Fire! 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 Arby, get the fuck out of my way! Arby! You stupid shit, you had to just stand there, really? Are you alive? How are you alive? There, now you're dead. Where the fuck? Why are you teleporting?
The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected.
Hi, sir. I'm sorry you've kind of gone insane.
Sliding around beneath their skin. Oh. And then they got up, started to talk. Oh God, their voices. Oh God, no, make them stop.
I'm sorry you're traumatized for life, sir.
I did them a favor.
You did do them a favor. You really did.
Them.
You really did them the greatest favor. Am I already at the end of the mission?
Hail humans and
No, I'm almost there.
This is the carrier, Shadow of Intent. Clear this sector while we deal with the Flood.
There we go. Let's move forward, sir. Hey, look, another shotgun. There's a trip mine here as well. It appears one of the elites are already dead. He dropped a sword, though, which I'm gonna fucking pick up. I don't know how that guy died. Man. 85. Yeah, that's good. This. Alright, I have no idea where all these fucking... All of these elites are dead already? Good lord. You guys were of no help whatsoever. Alright, I know there's gonna be some shit coming down from here. Oh, or from right here. Hello. Burn, bitch. What? I said burn. Oh, hey, I didn't mean to kill the Arbiter. Grenade! Fuck you. Hey, guess what? Or don't guess. Ow. Get my shields back, please. There we go. Fuck you guys. Oh, you're alive. Arby, you're alive. Hey, hey, Arby, sir. Fuck that guy. Oh my god. I want one of these to die. There we go, that's what I wanted. Okay, that works, sort of. Yeah, you just have fun with all this shit. Oh, you're dead. Cool. Didn't think I'd actually kill you there. Sword. Sword whack. Is there anything up here, over here that I can get? Up here, over here. Yep, that's proper words. Ow, what the shit? Hello? Alright, hold on. Fuck you. Let's not do this today, yeah? I apparently got shotgun ammo from somewhere. Oh, that guy I just killed had a shotgun. I don't know what I'm losing my mind for. Hello. Let us begin. Ow. I wish I could have some grenades from somewhere. Ow, okay, that didn't work. Maybe use the shotgun, huh? Hey, you know, it also just occurs to me that I don't even know if you guys will fucking run or show me your back if you're taking damage. Are you alive? How are you alive? I'm just standing on you. Dead. Damn it. That's not dead. I need a battle rifle or something. Just something I can shoot from a distance. That will help me a little bit. Is there anything back here I can pick up? Doesn't even have to be... I don't even need that much ammo, I think. I just need some. Oh, everything back here is despawned, so that's nice. Arby, I'm just gonna let you have fun there for a minute. I'm gonna take this, I guess. It's better than nothing. Are you not doing anything? Oh, I killed it.
Save your fire for the brutes.
Well, don't walk in front of me while I'm firing then, dumbass. Fuck you. Ooh, boy. Kaboom. Kaboom. Let's get some shields back, please. Please. Ow! Okay, that didn't matter. Damn you. There's grenades back here somewhere. There's grenades right here. Cool. Give me this. Okay, you're dead. Arby, I need you to get out of my way. Go forward. Kill them.
Stop that now.
Don't tell me what to do. Be more useful. Oh, I'm almost out of ammo. Awesome. Alright, Arby, you have some fun there. I'm just gonna let you do your thing. You seem to be doing well without me. Fuck that guy. Fuck that guy. And fuck that guy. Oh, hold on. Now fuck him. There you go. Bunch of ammo. Okay. Right. If I can get a battle rifle. A bit of riffle. Ew, my lord. Here, have a grenade. Kaboom. Fuck all of you. 5 kills. Die. I'm sorry, did this guy just have a normal head? I think he did. Oh boy. Oh, I don't have any more grenades. Right. Right. That one's dead. Arby, you seem to be having some fun over there, okay? So I'm just gonna let you do your thing. Oh, you're alive. Alright, now you're dead. Can I have a goddamn battle rifle, please? Is that possible? Do they exist in this level? I would hope so, but apparently not. God damn it.
Chief, the elites are looking for something. We didn't believe them when they told us.
Ooh, hello.
It's Cortana, Chief. She's on
Give me
that ship.
this.
Find her. Get her up.
Search the ship for Cortana. I will do so once I get over there. I have a flamethrower now, which is my new best friend for the moment. Yeah, and I think I'm near the end of the video. Hi! Forgot about you. Die, ya fuck. Yeah, no jumping for you. Oh my lord, hello. Die? Die. Okay, you guys are missed. Yep, goodbye to you. I'm sorry, are you guys, like, actively dying? Okay, there's that guy gone. Here, grenades. I don't know why I said grenades. I have a flamethrower. I didn't throw any grenades. Oh my lord! Hello. Goodbye. 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 Ow. Oh my lord. Okay, that was my fault. That was me being dumb. Oh, well, at least I'm right here. Hey, you. Fuck that thing. Okay, it is dead. Cool.
Hurry, demon!
Ooh,
We seek the same prize.
give me this.
Master will send
Oh my lord.
all to stop the flood.
Me don't like these things. Fire burn, bitch. I'm gonna die. Okay, there's another one way back there that I have to kill as well. Hello. How are you doing, huh? You're doing dead is how you're doing.
Hurry, demon! We seek the same prize. But our shipmaster will sacrifice all to stop the flood.
Good. It's probably a good. Ooh, my lord. Did I hit that?
I destroyed that one.
You're alive still. Oop. Okay, I gotta destroy that one. Oh boy, there's the third one. Yep, don't like that. What are you shooting at? Damn that thing. That's gonna be very annoying to deal with. This guy's got a fucking... Hey, stop shooting me.
Let us go.
Oh boy. Oh my lord. Glad you didn't shoot me, Harvey. There's that guy. Fire, burn. That guy's dead. That one's dead. That one's dead. Goodbye. I'm only at 4 shots now. I didn't mean to kill you. I didn't mean to kill either of you, but you're stupid. Oh, Arbiter's back. Give me your sword. Ow! What the fuck? I'm sorry, did you kill me because I killed you, or did you just do that by accident? Which doesn't make it worse, by the way.
Well executed.
Alright, there. That one is already on the wall back there.
Hurry, demon. We seek the same prize. But our ship
Ow! Okay, well, I'm alive at least.
the
Do
flood.
I have any ammo? I mean, ammo. Do I have any grenades? Here, have that. Oh, you didn't care. Okay, cool. Okay, now you cared. Okay, there's one tank right there. Did I kill both of them? I did kill the tank. Cool. Another... Nope, that's just a brute back there. Can you stop shooting me? Hey. Hello, sir. I'm gonna fucking burn your ass. Goodbye. Oh, look, there's more of these pure fucks. Ow! Don't push me. What's wrong with you? I'm okay, I'm okay. Mostly okay. I need shields, but I'm doing fine. At least the Arbiter's not trying to kill me anymore. Oh, look at that. More of these things. Did any of these? Yes, they did. Give me this. Fuck you. Fuck you. I didn't think that would work. Hello. Are you a... That is another tank. Nope, that's not a tank. It's an angry fuck. Ow. Whoa, my lord. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Not good. I wish I had a plasma grenade or something. Because then I could just like... Fuck you. If I had a plasma, I could just throw it at that guy that's up there, but I don't have one.
Our shipmaster will sacrifice all to stop the flood.
Good. I agree. That's the best thing you can do in this case. Good lord.
Holy light!
Ow, 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 ow. I'm doing fine. Oh boy. Whew. Okay, I'm good. That's not good there, though. If you can stop. Arby, I need you to get up here because I'm having kind of a few issues that your intervention would assist with. Here we go. Fire burn, bitches. I'm good, I'm good. Hey you need a hide or something? Preferably a feet or something. Ow, I'm good, I'm good. Oh, less good. Ow, okay, never mind. There was a dude came up behind me, didn't like that. You're dead already? Okay. That one's dead.
We seek the same prize.
We do seek the same prize. I'm glad you've noticed.
All to stop the flood.
How are you? Okay, you're just a crawly fuck now. Who? Are there any kind of weapons or anything down here I can pick up? I think I'm gonna have to use this fucking battle rifle to get rid of that guy. Ow. Come on, sir. I'm not seeing any other kind of strong weapon that I can use against this thing. There we go. Where'd my... There it is. Give me this, thank you. Alright, that one that's on the wall is gone, so I'm not worried about that anymore. Arbiter, you're not the Arbiter. Who are you? You're just a random dude. Oh, is there another one up there? Are you kidding me? Arbiter, live, please. Okay, that one up there is gone. You guys good? Is that one dead? I didn't kill you. Why did I lose points for that? The fuck was that? Burn, ya fuck. Oop. Oh my lord. So many of these fucking things. Burn, thank you. Loading done. Fuck that guy, cool. I'm very much almost dead. I would like to not be almost dead, and I am not almost dead anymore. Down we go. This is the end of the mission. Down here. I don't think there's any enemies in here, but I'm gonna have my shotgun and a sword apparently. That's not a sword. Give me the sword, thank you.
Do not be afraid. I am peace. I am salvation.
You're a massive pain in the ass is what you are. Let me move. Down we go again. This way? This way. There's gonna be stuff here, isn't there? No? Nothing? And the Flood have completely demolished this ship.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
No. Hello. Retrieve Cortana. Cutscene? Cutscene.
Chief.
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on...
Cortana.
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
Will it live, Oracle? Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth, with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Oh! Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough.
Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A flood army, a grave mother, has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Well, this is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
Okay, so that is the mission Floodgate over and done with. Our first mission with the Flood. I think at least the next two missions don't have the Flood. I know the next one for sure doesn't have any Flood, and the one after that might have some, just at the very, very end of the mission. But we're like halfway through the game right now, roughly, more or less. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I would appreciate it a lot. It would mean a lot to me. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.